If you're sitting at home right now, let me ask you something. What if your favorite gadget was made in a factory the size of a two-car garage? Sounds crazy, right? Microfactories make it real. These tiny hubs are reshaping industries. From electric vehicles to custom jewelry, they're changing the game. Let's dive in and see what makes them tick. Before we dive in, please quickly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support makes a difference, allowing us to keep bringing you fresh, exciting content. Plus, it helps our community grow. Thanks for being part of it. Let's rewind a bit. Microfactories aren't entirely new. Picture modular workshops back in the 20th century. They were basic, but the seeds were there. Fast forward to today, and we have high-tech, compact spaces run by robots. Back then, factories were huge. Big machines, big footprints. Now, smaller is smarter. Henry Ford's assembly lines were great for mass production, but they lacked flexibility. Microfactories thrive because they adapt. Need to produce something new? Switch it up without breaking a sweat. Here's a challenge. Fit an entire production line into a tiny space. How? Modular design. Every corner matters. Walls double as storage. Ceilings hold robotic tracks. It's like Tetris, but with cutting-edge tech. Robots here are multitaskers. One arm welds, assembles, and inspects. Designers even borrow from city planning. Think skyscrapers, but for machines. Vertical is key. Arrival, the EV company, builds locally using modular setups. Need to change the layout? They do it like rearranging furniture. Now let's talk robots. These machines are the stars. From cobots, robots that work with humans, to AGVs, autonomous vehicles, they're efficient and precise. They lift, assemble, and transport, no breaks needed. AI runs the show here. It spots problems before they happen. Ever heard of swarm robotics? Tiny robots working like ants, solving big problems together. It's both futuristic and practical. Rethink Robotics built cobots that switch tasks fast. One day they're assembling electronics. The next, packaging medical tools. Now that's versatility. Who says small can't be green? Microfactories are proof. Solar panels, energy-saving machines, and smart sensors cut waste. Lights dim when no one's around. Cooling systems recycle air. Desktop Metal, a 3D printing firm, slashes energy use by 30% compared to big factories. That's great for the planet and the bottom line. Flexibility is everything. Need to switch from gadgets to medical devices? No problem. Modular setups make it easy. And scalability. These factories grow like Lego sets. Link a few together, and production scales up instantly. Tesla's gigafactories now include smaller local production units. Big meets small in the best way. Robots dominate, but humans aren't left out. Workstations are adjustable. Layouts focus on comfort. Safety, top-notch. Sensors track everything and shut down if needed. This is where it gets cool. Digital twins, virtual models of factories, let designers test ideas before building. Additive manufacturing, like 3D printing, speeds up production. Need a custom part? Print it in-house. Blockchain ensures every component is tracked. Imagine machines that reorder materials on their own. That's efficiency on autopilot. Microfactories are reshaping the global economy. Local production cuts shipping emissions and supports small businesses. In developing areas, they create jobs and bridge economic gaps. Mobile factories in disaster zones making emergency supplies. Or factories on Mars building astronaut habitats. The future is closer than you think. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Robots are pricey. Production is limited. Maintenance can be tricky. But open-source tech and modular systems help reduce costs. Even governments are stepping in with green incentives. Here's a twist. Consumers are co-creators now. Want custom sneakers? A micro factory can print them for you. Need a one-of-a-kind chair? Done. Local production means faster delivery and less impact on the planet. If you had access to a micro factory, what would you make? Micro factories are breathing life into small industries. They mix tradition with technology. In rural areas, they spark entrepreneurship. Small businesses now have the tools to compete with giants. The future is about adaptability. Quantum computing could optimize workflows. Biomimicry designs systems inspired by nature. Self-sufficient factories powered by renewables are just around the corner. AI-driven maintenance ensures zero downtime. Imagine factories that repair themselves. Microfactories prove that big ideas don't need big spaces. They're efficient, flexible, and poised to change manufacturing. Which part of their design impressed you most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, like and smash that subscribe button for more design deep dives.